Every system looks secure until it is tested. Behind strong defenses, hidden weaknesses often exist.
Penetration testers think like attackers without causing harm.
They simulate real attacks in a controlled environment.
Weak points are discovered, fixed, and strengthened. Penetration testing finds problems before real attackers do. In the world of IT, data flows like electricity through circuits. In OT, commands move physical reality, shaping machines, factories, even lives. For IT, securing information is paramount. For OT, uptime, safety, and physical integrity come first. IT networks use standard protocols. OT networks rely on specialized industrial protocols. IT testing is fast, automated, and aggressive. OT testing is deeply aware of the physical consequences of every action. In IT, damage is silent. Data disappears while systems keep working. In OT, damage is instant. One signal can stop everything. IT testers master code, networks, and digital attack tools. OT testers combine cybersecurity with engineering and process control. Most IT attacks start with one click and hidden malware. OT attacks enter through trusted access and silent control changes. IT testing moves fast. Discover, scan, exploit, escalate. OT testing starts with risk, safety, and careful planning.
In IT, the battle exists only in cyberspace.
In OT, cyber attacks become physical actions.
IT protects information. OT protects reality.
Welcome to OT Security Lab. I'm Ali, your guide in industrial cybersecurity. Subscribe, hit the bell, and like to learn OT penetration testing techniques.